Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Joyce, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you how you can return items from Amazon. So if you have watched any of my past videos, you know that I have been making a series of Amazon videos, and you know that I live in Canada. This procedure that I'm gonna show you applies mostly for Canada and USA. I don't know if it will work the same on other countries, but it might be pretty similar. So let's go straight to the video. Okay, so I have here a box of some cups that we ordered that it wasn't what we expected to be. So these are some coffee cups that we got. These are supposed to be recyclable. We thought that they will have a lid on them, but they don't. They are just the cups for the coffee, and we are going to return them because we don't need these. So I'm gonna show you what is the procedure that we are going to follow in my computer. So let's go to my computer now. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna do is to go to amazon.com.ca or wherever you are. Then you are going to go to where it says your name, the menu where it says hello and your account name, and then account and lists, and then you're gonna go to your orders. Okay, here it says your account, and then you go to your orders, click on there, and then you'll see all the recent products that you have bought. In this case, what I want to return is this, which is 25 pieces per pack insulated disposable coffee cups. Right here, click on this return items button, and it's asking me why I am going to return these items. I'm gonna set I don't need it anymore, so no longer needed, and then I'm gonna tap on continue, and it says that I have to return it by March 27th. Okay, so I'm gonna click on continue. And how can we make it right? Refund to your Amazon account balance, and I'm gonna choose that because we bought this with a gift card, so I'm going to recover this balance to my gift card balance. If you bought this product with your credit card, then the refund will be to your credit card, and it will take a little bit more to appear on your bank account. Okay, estimate refund timing when we receive your return. So I'm gonna be able to see the refund when they receive their package back. You can hover to this how does it work, and it says we'll apply your refund to the gift card balance on your Amazon account, and you can view your Amazon gift card balance in your account. So I'm gonna click on continue. I have these three options to return it. So I'm gonna choose I'll ship and pay, and then I'll ship and pay. Printer required. Print the label at any time from your orders. We'll also email it to you. So I'm gonna click on confirm and your return, and it says your label is ready to print, and I just got an email. So I'm gonna print label and instructions, and I click on print label and instructions, and I just got these pages. Now I'm gonna turn on my printer. Okay, okay, now that I have turned on my printer, I have my label right here, and I am going to click on print button, and it's gonna come out right here. Okay, let's go back to this screen, and it says based on Amazon returns experience, how likely are you to recommend Amazon to a friendly or colleague? So it will ask you some questions like this. I'll ship and pay, package and securely, it says the instructions, securely pack the items in a box, affix the label squarely onto the address side of the parcel, covering up any previous delivery address and barcode without overlapping any adjacent site. Okay, so on the first page I have the barcode that they will need and just what it has. And this will have to go inside the box. And these are the instructions that you need, and it says what I was reading you from the web page. So I'm gonna cut this. This goes outside and this goes inside, as I was telling you. Then I need to go to my post office and just have a stamp on it. And also, I have received an email. I have it right here. Hello Joyce, we've accepted your return request. Once we receive the item below, we'll issue your refund. And it says, actually, it also has the button to print return label and instructions, and also check return and refund status. Let's go and put the labeling on the box. The code, and this goes inside the box, okay? Now let's go to my box. Okay, so I have my box of cups here, coffee mugs. I'm gonna put this label right here, and I'm gonna tape this box, but be careful, we need to remove this and this code from this box. Okay. Make sure there aren't any other codes here, and then you can use the same box, okay? This code right here, and I'm just gonna tape this box, and then you can put this right here with tape as well. Make sure that this can be seen very well, because this is going to be the way that they can know that it was a return. Okay, so I have taken the cups to the post office, and let me tell you that they charged me around $18 or more. So I really suggest that you choose the other options the Amazon gave at the beginning. And also, I'm gonna show you what it shows now on the return page. Here it is. You can follow up and track the updates when they receive their package, like they said, and you can track when you will receive your money back. I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.